2 p.m, 26 degrees, and we're in Vilamoura. And we're going to do the little beach walk from Vilamoura to Quarteira, check the beach bars out, and let's get some prices. Come and join me, guys. I'll spin the camera around. First place we come to, right in front of Tivoli Marina Vilamoura Hotel, is Purobeach Bar. They've got all the beds set up now, gearing up for the season. It's pretty busy actually. So let's have a quick pop in the restaurant, see if we can grab some prices, see how busy it is. Yeah, they've normally got music blaring away and have to talk over it. It's not too bad at the moment because there's no DJ on at the moment. Show you inside. It's quite modern. The burgers coming out there. And there's a quick peek. How lovely is that? And I'll just show you all the fresh fish of the day. Robalo, dorada, pago, sardines. Oh, look at that tuna, that's lovely that. But yeah, it looks stunning in here. Got a nice little bar as well. But they don't show the prices there. But I can tell you, that's not one where you're going to get a bargain. But look at that view, guys. It's quite busy for this time of year as well. There's people in the sea. And then there's a boardwalk all the way to Quarteira in the background there. And all along the boardwalk is the little beach bars. We'll go and check the next one out. Got Villa Gale in front of us here. And the last time I was here, they was doing major construction. You got the Crowne Plaza beyond that, and then at the back of that there's a few hotels getting built. That was back in March. I don't know how far they've got. You get people that only come to Portugal every now and again, and they say they don't like the temperature of the sea on the Atlantic, but plenty of people in it. Now this one here, Búzios, this looks nice. A little bit more rustic than the last one we visited. Plenty of people eating on the terrace. Whew. It's hot, guys. They've got a dish of the day though. Let's see if we can have a look. Let's have a quick look. It's okay. And there we go. Dorada, robalo is all by the key, 65 and 85, and linguada is 80 by the key. But yeah, how nice is that, guys? I like that, it's quite rustic, that one. Yeah, I don't think we'll get too many bargains along here. But we'll keep our eyes open for them anyway. We'll crack on with the next one. Yeah, this walk takes about 15-20 minutes. Leisurely stroll, depending on how quick you walk. But if you don't want to walk along the boardwalk, there is a little pedestrianised bit over there. You can go on bikes and scooters if you want. And while I'm doing this little walk, guys, while we're in between bars, by the time this is uploaded, the middle bit of the beach is a little bit more quiet. Check this next one out. This next one's called Chiringuito. Lovely terrace. Making me jealous, him serving the drinks there. How beautiful is that? All the lifeguards are out now. Have a pop in here. Can hear the music blaring away. See if you can get a feel of it though. It's done really nice, that. So you can pop in this way. You okay? Is it okay if I film, mate? Is it okay if I just come through with the camera?
I'm gonna check.
Okay. It's for YouTube, mate, yeah? Okay, thank you very much, mate, yeah? Yeah. It will be on Sunday, yeah? Okay? That was very nice. The manager says I can pop through and film. So there is the terrace. That's the view you'll have if you're down here. Like I say, I can't see any prices. And I know you're not going to get any bargains there. Let me see what this says here. There's public toilets there. Praia de Vilamoura. Oh, it's only the water temperature and the sun temperature. There's a couple more to go. And then at the end, stick with us and I'll show you a really nice tapas bar. For you guys who stayed in the Crowne Plaza, the Hyatt in the background, or the Villa Gale, let us know what it's like, if it was value for money. And you've got fantastic sea views there. Yeah, the nearer we're getting to Quarteira, the quieter it's getting. This next one is Chiringuito, Maresia. Doesn't look too many people in there, but we'll go and check it out anyway. Yeah, this one's only a very, very small bar, this. Directly in front of the Crowne Plaza. Only a few people on the terrace. There's a view you've got. So you can see any prices. No prices at the moment. You okay?
How are you, sir?
Okay, I'm good, yeah?
Oh, good.
Okay, what's the dish of the day today?
Today we have a tortillas, salads, burgers. How's it going?
I'm good, yeah?
Good?
Okay,
Yes.
thanks for letting us
Nice
film,
to
yeah?
have you again.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have met that lady before. In fact, I did do this about a month ago and my microphone wasn't working. I was waffling on for 20 minutes and didn't realise till I got home, played it all back, no sound. I could have done a talk over, but I much prefer to do it as and when I'm doing it. There's some new hotels being built in the background, if you can make them out. Wow, they've done them nice, haven't they? It's really nice. This is the Aqua Club. I think this does sushi, if I remember correct, but we'll check it out anyway. How lovely is that? Can't hear the music playing. See how close I can get without affecting us. Yeah, this place is pretty busy. We'll have to speak up. Got a DJ on playing some music. Very busy. So pop in so you can see some sushi. It's nice and cool in here. Pretty busy, very loud. Got a big screen TV there. Nice bar. And we'll check the food out. I think it's on the side here, it says. Oh, there we go. Take a snapshot of that, guys. And you can see the prices. They do sushi for starters. They do gyozas, €6 for €9. That's not too bad. Some nice ice creams there. Yes, this place is pretty lively. Not had a drink in it yet, but give it a couple more weeks, I'll definitely pop in. Very nice. So that's the back of the Aqua Club, and as you come out the back way, just in front there, you've got an open air gym. I think a five-a-side football or basketball it is, or doubles as both, I think. But the place I'm going to show you, just the other side of the hotels that are being built, there is a cracking little tapas bar, very well hidden. But if you know, you know, and I'll show you. Well, this new little beachside residence, it's called the Uncoin. It says live with the ocean by the window, and that's come on a treat since I was here a couple of months ago. Looks really nice. And right at the end of that apartment complex, right opposite, are all the blocks of apartments where all the locals live and holiday. Got a little bar, I think it's the Motor Club Quarteira, it is. And right next door to that, underneath the flats, he only opens in the evening at the moment. It's called Social Venus and Petiscu. Cracking little tapas bar, really good value for money. Not the best location, as they're putting another hotel right in front of it here. But the food and price is excellent in there. You got another little snack bar. Oh, I don't know what's happening there with all the bibbing. And you're literally a 2-minute walk to Quarteira Market from here. So if you holiday in Vilamoura and you get a bit sick of seeing all the luxury yachts and fantastic restaurants, and you fancy sampling a little bit more Portuguese, then a 20-minute walk to Quarteira will do the trick. A little bit more Portuguese. There's a promenade about 2 kilometres long, packed with restaurants, bars, and there's a fish and fruit and veg market as well. I will just give you a little sample. The Jindu Chinese and sushi, Jindu Chinese and sushi restaurant. Gotta put my teeth in. Well, they set the market stalls out there. Restaurant Búzios. And then right by the fish market, which I'll show you, there's a couple of little restaurants. Got the Spa supermarket right in front of the car park. You've got all the gypsy stalls set up, selling all the knickknacks, fake sunglasses, probably fake Ronaldo t-shirts as well. We've got the car park. And along here we've got Docker's Fish Restaurant, not actually open at the moment. Normally there's a barbecue down the side. They've all got garden terraces at the back there I should say. Got tandoori waves with the rooftop terrace. You've then got the fresh fruit and fish market. Well, I can't get my words out today, guys. Well, that's the place with the barbecue actually. Cataplanas. There's nobody in at the moment. We are coming up to the end of the lunchtime at the minute. I'll just show you where the beach starts. So you've got a few little typical Portuguese restaurants just opposite me there. Much cheaper price than Vilamoura. Then we've got Rosa Branca, which is the beginning of the beach in Quarteira. I'll just show it you. So this is the beach at Quarteira. It runs for miles actually. You got the promenade full of hotels, bars and restaurants, and you can walk down that way for miles. You can walk to Quinta do Lago and Vale do Lobo and beyond. Sunset party on the rooftop. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little walking tour, guys. If you have, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.